Hello everyone. Now we will see the sex-linked inheritance in man. Okay? Sex-linked inheritance in man. Okay? Now see, sex-linked inheritance. We all know that we have two types of sex chromosome. One is X and another is Y. In case of males, X and Y is present, and in case of females, X and X is present. Okay. Now, this X and Y chromosome, that is, these sex chromosomes, they determine the sex of a person. That is, sex chromosomes determine the sex of a person. If it is X and X, then what will be the sex of a person? And if it is X and Y, then male will be the sex of a person. Okay. Along with this, these sex chromosome also contains some genes of body character. Okay. So along with this only, they also contain some genes which describes the body character. And those type of genes are called as sex-linked characters. Sex-linked characters. Understood what I mean to say that? There are some characters which are present on these sex chromosomes and they are called as the sex-linked character. For example, suppose this is a sex chromosome, okay, and it is a segment of a gene. Now suppose this black mark is for the black color of the eye. Okay, and suppose this red mark is for the brown hairs. Understood? This black color eye and this is brown hairs. Now, if these two characters are present on the sex chromosome, then these two characters are called as the sex-linked characters. Because suppose if the father is of black eye and mother is of brown eye, then may be possible that their children have both type of eyes. If they have the two children, then one of them can have the black eyes and other can have the brown eyes. Okay. Suppose if the father is having black hairs and mother is with brown hairs, then it may be possible that their child may have any two of the colors. Any two. Child can either be the brown or it can be the black depending upon the dominant gene. Okay. So these two characters, if they are present on the sex chromosome, then they are called as the sex-linked character. And the genes are called as the sex-linked gene. Understood? So, this brown hair and black hair, they are the sex-linked character. And their genes are called as the sex-linked gene. And the method of transmission of these characters from one generation to the other generation is called as the inheritance. And that's why the term is called as sex-linked inheritance. Okay. So, see, these are the four important terms we have got here. One is the chromosomes which are used to describe the sex of a person. They are called as the sex chromosome. Second is, if these chromosomes have the characters, some body characters, then they are called as the sex-linked characters. Okay. and the genes which describe those characters which are present on the sex chromosome, they are called as the sex-linked genes. Clear? And the method of study, the method of inheritance of these characters are called as the sex-linked inheritance. Okay? Now in our course, we have the different types of sex-linked inheritance. Now let's see the next. Now see the types of sex-linked characters. We have the two types of sex-linked characters. One is X-linked character and Y-linked characters. See the meaning of X-linked characters. The characters which are present on X chromosome. Okay? They are called as the X-linked characters. And the characters which are present on Y chromosome, they are called as the Y-linked characters. Clear? So, what conclusion we can draw from here? X-linked characters, the characters which are present on the X chromosome, and all the males and the females, they have the X chromosomes. Males have only one and females have two X chromosomes. Okay? And Y-linked characters which are present on the Y gene and Y chromosome, and only males have the Y chromosome. This shows that X-linked characters can be possible in case of males and females both. But Y-linked characters are only present in the males. Understood? Because X are found in males and females both. So whatever will be the character, that will be present in males and females both. But Y-linked, as it is found only in case of male, so the characters of this chromosome will only found in the males. Clear? Suppose this is one character, this is one character, this is one character. So girls may have this type of characters. Now see, the X-linked characters can be transmitted by a crisscross inheritance. Inheritance of the X-linked character from one generation to the another generation is called as crisscross inheritance. Now see the meaning of crisscross inheritance. Suppose if the father is having some characters on the X chromosome. Okay? If the father is having some characters on the X chromosome, then, and suppose this is mother, and mother, one X is also having some, then what happens into the next generation? If they will cross with each other, and suppose this is a baby girl, okay, it should be with black. Understood? Then the characters are transmitted to the baby girl. Suppose if this meets, then see what happens. The character and normal X of a woman. Now see the next situation. Y one more situation. Now see children. This girl child is having character, some character. Okay, we are studying about the sex-linked character. So this girl child is having some character. Clear? This is also a girl child. And this girl child is also having one character. But from where this character has come? From the cross, it has not come from the mother. It has come from the father. Okay. So if this is a girl child, then from where some character has come? It has come from the father's side. Understood? Come to the third portion. It is X with character and this is Y from the male. So it is a male child. But from where the X-linked character has come? From the mother's side. And this is a normal son. Okay. Now see, can you imagine what I wanted to tell you that? I just want to tell you that father, they transmit the characters to their daughters. Okay? And mother transmit their character to their son. Okay? This is the daughter. And this is the son. Now, this character has come from the mother. And this character has come from the father. So, father always transmit the character to their daughters and mothers always transmit their character to the son. This is called as criss-cross inheritance. Understood? And this is possible in case of X-linked characters. Because X-linked characters are present in males and females both, and that's why if the father will transmit the character to the daughter and mothers will always transmit their characters to their son, and this is known as criss-cross inheritance. Okay, in our course we have two types of criss-cross inheritance. One is color blindness and next is hemophilia. Okay, we will see these two and it is related with a disease.